If you want to make thousands of dollars in passive income by just following professional trains and not doing any of the work, be sure to watch the full video. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Doc and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can be a part of the millions in profits that these master traders are making for their followers and how you can make great passive income by just copying these professionals. So let's not talk too much and get straight to the point in how to set up your copy trading account. So the first thing you gotta do is go to the top of my description and click on the partner Bybit link. Then you're gonna sign up with my account and you now even get $30 for free on a deposit of $100 and reduced trading fees. After you made an account and deposited money on it, it's really easy. All you gotta do is from the Bybit homepage, go to the top two derivatives and click on copy trading. When you're at copy trading, you don't want the traders with top return of investment because they're most likely lucky did 1-2 good trades and most likely will liquidate you. So you click down to traders with the highest profit for followers and then you click on view more. When this opens, all you gotta do is click on this, turn off traders with the highest profit for followers and then just pick on trader profit followers up and down, and now you can see all the stats you want to see. So the most important stats are that the profit for followers is positive, that the win rate is really high up to 100%, and that the stability index is like 5 or 4. This means it's a very stable trader. So for this example, I'm just gonna show you what I like about this trader, but always do your own research. It's just pointing out some things. So the first thing you gotta notice is trading days. If this is like 4 or 5 trading days, just get out. They just started, you don't know how good they are. If it's above 25 to 30, it's reasonably safe again. So this is really important to look at. This next thing is if you do the 30 days, be sure it's around 10-15% of profit. Be sure that the master trader is making money as well, that the drag down is really low. If this is 50%, that means he's making risky trades. He doesn't know what he's doing. If it's beneath 10, it's always good. And make sure that the follower profit is a decent big amount. So plus 64,000 in 30 days is looking really nice. The next thing you want to see is total trades. Make sure that this amount is above 300 and that the wins to loss compared is over 90%. Over 95% is even better, guys. So make sure it has a really good win rate. The next thing you want to look at for making profit is the trading frequency. If it's trading a lot, that's always good. If this says 2 to 3 trades or 10 trades, you won't make any good money. So anything above 50% is really good. Then you're gonna take a look at statistics of copy trade. Be sure that the trader doesn't have like 50 trades open and that they're not big, like minus 50%. So here we're seeing he has like 6 trades open, but they're all minus 0.05, minus 2%. So they just open. So that's looking really good as well. Also make sure that the trader is not doing some crazy leverage like 10x, 50x, because that's always dangerous because they might be making profit and the moment you join, they lose it all. So 1 to 5x is preferable. Also, another thing which I really like is you can just scroll down and take a look at what kind of coins they're doing. So if you're taking a look, that is BTC, Ethereum or high altcoins like Matic, it's always safe. If they're doing like Dogecoin and everything, it's most of the time not safe, but I would prefer traders who do BTC and Ethereum all the time. So now that we find a trader we liked based on all the things we've looked at, all you gotta do is click on copy at the top. This says full, but even if you found a full trader, most of the time one person leaves. If you just check it every 5, 10, 15 minutes and you can join them. But the moment you chose a nice trader you want, just go to the top and click on copy. So once you clicked on copy, this screen will open and I will now show you the best copy trading settings to make the best profit. So the first thing you gotta do is at the top, click on smart copy and make this advanced, because we're better, we know more. So then you gotta do funds to copy. So I'm gonna pick 200 because I think this is a nice amount to start with. Don't enter copy stop loss right ahead. I will show you guys if you want to do it, you can put it. This basically means if your total investment goes down with the price, you lose that amount of money maximum, but I know something better. So just click on next. Then, this is really important. What should your fixed margin mean? Fixed margin means the amount of money that a trader can use every single time he opens a trade. And I've got a nice thing for it. Basically, my recommended margin for each trade is that the margin amount is your balance divided by 20. So basically, if your balance is 200, your margin should be $10. Your balance is 500, your margin should be $25. Your balance is $1,000, your margin is $50. And also guys, you can trade multiple master traders. So instead of 1,000 in one trader, you could do like 200 in 5 traders or 500 in 2 traders, but always divided by 20. If your balance is lower than 200, just pick a trader which has margin of $10 and keep it at $10 until you reach more than $200. Also, some traders have a minimum margin of $20, then don't go in with only $100. So never go lower than the margin is the balance divided by 10. So if you're joining a master trader with a minimum margin of $20, be sure you have at least $200. Otherwise, the gains will be really low. So we filled in our fixed margin. Then the next settings are really important to play it safe. So basically, what we're gonna do is make it safer for you than just trusting the master trader. So we're gonna click on leverage settings and fixed leverage. So this is a really important one, to be honest. So I would recommend anywhere between a 1x to a 5 leverage, with a 1x leverage being very safe, very careful, and a 5x leverage being a little bit risky. So if you want to be into between, the most people pick 3x leverage. So let's just pick 3x leverage here. I think I can write here. So 3x. Then the next thing is where we protect you guys. So stop loss per order. And this is something I haven't shown before, but a viewer pointed out, and it's really important. This will protect your profits, because the normal stop loss only goes off if you're below your initial investment. Let's say you may invest at $200, you're at $300, but your stop loss is 20%, then it will only be triggered when you're at $160, and it will not protect your profit. So that's not good. So basically what I recommend, if you pick 1x leverage, 5%, 2x, 10%, and so on. So with every leverage X, you go up 5%. So we picked 3x fixed leverage. So what we're gonna do is stop loss per order at 15%. And then we're gonna choose accept, and we're just gonna click on copy, and we will copy the master trader. So the next thing that people always ask me is, Doug, how much profit can I actually make? Well, profit used to be easier to calculate, but they made it a little bit harder, but I still found a way. So basically, where you're gonna go is go to the last 30 days, guys. So the last 30 days around 15%, and then you're gonna go to the statistics of the copied and look at how much he's trading. So he has a total assets of 11,000, and he's trading with like $360 per trade. So he's trading with a margin of 1/30 of his portfolio. Really important to know that. So then, basically, how do you calculate the amount of profit? So basically, the amount of profits is basically calculated by the amount of trade times the margin you have times the return of investment minus the master trader fee. So he takes 12% of the profit for trading for you, plus the transaction fees. Monthly, you're making 15% with a 1/30 balance, but because we're doing 1/20, so every margin is 20%, So every margin is like 5% of our balance. We would be making 50% more because we're working with 50% money. And so we would making 22.5%. So that's really important. So if we had a balance of $200, we would make $45. If we had a balance of $500, we would make $112.5 a month. With $1,000, we would make $225. $2,000 would make us $450. $5,000 would make us $1,125. So minus the 12% profit fees, you would need around $5,000, maybe $6,000 to make $1,000 per month, guys. Nothing which is safer than risky investments can make you this kind of percentage. So you have to invest big to make big, but you can compound yourself into bigger profits, which I explain in a second. So with a balance of $10,000, you can make $2,250. So the next question what a lot of people are asking me is, what can I do with my profits? How can I optimize it? Well, this is where compounding comes. Basically, you can maximize your gains with compounding by increasing every $20 if your margin is balance divided by 20. So let's say your starting balance is $200 and your margin is $10. So when your balance reaches $220, you up your margin to $11. When it reaches $250, you can up it to $12. When the balance reaches $260, you can up your margin to $13. And when your margin reaches, let's say $300, you're already at $15. So you will be making 50% more. And this is how you can increase your money with starting a low balance. Even though that I was saying with $200 you would be at like $250, $260 after a month, you will increase your profits 30% after a month, and then the next month you will make more and more. And with compounding you will start getting better and better, because most of the people don't know they will start with $200 and they will go up to $400 and still be margin 10. So they will be missing out on so much money because they're not compounding. That's why it's really important that you're compounding once you're making money. So the next question I'm getting asked is, how can I change my settings? How can I invest more? So it's really easy. So you just go back to the copy trading, then my copy trading, you just click on it. Then you can see here master traders, and you can do increase investment. So let's say you want to increase more money in it, all you gotta do is increase investment here. Then if you want to change your settings, you just click on details. Then you can just do more settings here. Like the first one we're gonna do is copy trading settings. Here you can basically choose what you want. If you wanna up your margin, up your fixed leverage, or more settings, or even return. And you cannot adjust your funds to copy here, but they made it possible that you just click on more settings and reduce investments. So max reducible $150. Let's say you made like $200 with this master and you want to take $200 out and invest in another master. All you gotta do is, like, let's say you just put $100, you just confirm, and now you took actually $100 out of this master. This wasn't already here. It's a new update this week, but I love it, guys. So this is how you do it. Then the next question is, how do you cancel copy? So still on the screen, you just click on cancel. And what you want to do is, if you want to have your money back, is exit immediately at the current price. Because if you continue copying a trader, you will only get your money once every trade is closed. So just click here on exit at current market price, and you will see that you will leave the master, and all your assets will be transferred to your funding account. So my final tips and tricks are, be sure that your margin is balance divided by 20. Pick a leverage between 1x to 5x, with 1x being very safe and 5x being a little bit risky. Also pick a stop loss per order 5% to 25% following the leverage. Increase your margin when balancing increase. Don't stay at the same margin all the time when you're making profit. So never cancel a trade yourself unless a trade is in profit and a master trader has a lot of trades open. You can just close your trade. Then sign up using my link. You will get $30 extra money if you deposit $100 or more, and reduce trading fees, which will help you a lot in your profit. So for questions, you can just PM me on Twitter or Telegram. Twitter is the real dog, and the Telegram group is pinned, not binned, at the top comment. So the top comment, just join the community and we'll always be able to help you guys with everything you want, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like if you did, subscribe to my channel for more crypto content, and YouTube. Until next time.